I'd stay out away from it. I got you. I would stay.
Don't we want to go over there in Sawzall? I can go do that.
What's that?
You want me to go over there in Sawzall?
Might have to cut him, man. Might have to cut him. Thought maybe they closed.
Whole place is moving.
Whole place.
Look at this shit. No joke. We ain't playing. Nice. Master of disaster. Watch this shit. A couple at a time. Yeah, you got a walk plank. That's a nice thing, right?
Yes,
Yeah, watch that cord. Hey, grab his ladder. That way you got it at the other end. Because walking that plank ain't no joke. Yeah, on the other side. Yes. Yes.
Get 3 free months now and cancel anytime. Tap the banner to learn more.
Careful.
That's where I end up.
That's where Bruce is going to get off. He's getting off over there in the corner. He knows he's gonna. Master of destruction.